I want to talk about the H&B system and where it comes from and what's in it. And I'd like to start with the vision of H&B. The vision is to implement the planning, construction and operation of sustainable buildings and neighborhoods as a new normal. It must be normal that we act sustainably. Because, flip it around, should it be normal to work or to act not sustainable? I mean, what kind of message would that be? But this is a vision, and of course we know that the vision is not changing the world. But changing the world are the instruments to make it happen. And that's the reason why I like to show you the instruments, how we have implemented that in Germany. And I see, and I'm very proud to see, that the colleagues here in Croatia are doing it in the same way. H&B is a network of ambitious members. So we have about 2,800 member organizations in H&B, and this working together is a core for innovation. People are meeting each other they did not meet before, and they are inspired to create new solutions. And I see many of the supporters here for the conference are also active in Germany in the TBT because they are frontrunners from industry. And this is not a national, this is a European or a global activity. H&B is the largest network for sustainable construction, and that makes it quite powerful and gives a good implementation and good link to also governmental activities. So collaboration and public awareness are very important. First instrument. Second instrument, and maybe the most important one, to make sustainability measurable. If you can measure, you can manage it. If you can manage it, you can put it in the contracts, you can order it, and everybody knows what to do. And this is important, because before, or if it's not measurable, people talk about sustainability, and everybody has a different understanding what is and what's behind. So make it measurable. And the instrument, the tool, is criteria catalog. Of course, such a catalog is not true. Leading in the right direction, and it's an instrument to use during design and construction and operation of the building later on. So the use of instrument makes it powerful. More than 11,000 buildings are certified in the meanwhile. Most of them in Germany, since we are in Germany. And to give you an example, so last year we had registrations for more than 3,000 projects, new projects, plus the small residentials. The small residentials are typically not registered before they submit for registration, and these are another 1,000. So you see how the number of projects is ramping up. But just the catalog and to make it measurable is not helpful if people are not able to use it and to apply it. And for that, we have to have the knowledge, and we have to bring the knowledge in the market. And for that, we have the H&B Academy, where we train experts. And last year, we have trained more than 4,000 experts with the H&B scheme and also other topics from the sustainability environment. And this is very important because now it's getting more mainstream that the architects, that the engineers have an understanding of sustainability and know how to use the criteria and how to bring it in the market. And these are the three instruments which are working together and pushing the market and bringing sustainability on a different on the next level. But H&B is not just in Germany. H&B is global and a strong network. And in the presentation of Bruno before lunch, we have also seen CEPIA, the Climate Positive Europe Alliance, which is a kind of hub for policy work and for taxonomy work. And we are all, the GPCs are members in the World Green Building Council, our umbrella organization globally. And And the members and the partners using the DGNB scheme are besides GBC Croatia, also the colleagues in Austria, from Germany, from GBC Estonia, Bruno's here, from the GBC Denmark, and the GBC in Switzerland. And they all have adapted the scheme to the country. This is one of the DNA parts of the system, that it should be used in the context of the country where it is used. In addition, we have a collaboration network with more than 90 universities to bring sustainability and sustainable construction knowledge into the